Okay, guys, so at Walgreens, the Gillette King C line, the fancy dancy stuff, is free. Yeah, we can line up a deal here. I'm going to show you in a second, and I'm going to answer a whole host of questions using that weird, goofy 5 off of 20 booster and then other paper boosters with, and answer all of your questions. And if you really love to look at inserts, at the very end of the video, a very good friend of mine based out of California sent me a massive, massive package, just like broke my mailbox this morning, and I'm going to be giving some of them away because it is just way too much. So if you like that sort of thing, wait for the end of the video. And just to talk more about this, okay, so Gillette King C, which is a new line of razors, beard oils, all that fun stuff. So if you're a male couponer, this video is for you. This stuff is when you spend 20, you get back 10,000 points, which is a 50% return on investment, which is really great. However, the caveat of this is because it is a spend deal, you have to pay cash for the balance. So what that means is cash, credit card, debit card, whatever you have, do not use points to pay down your balance or you will not get your points back. So that's the story there. Now, looking at what we're going to grab for this, we're going to grab one of these fancy dancy razors for $9.99. Now, if you look at the top, it says $3 off, and that showed up on Sunday morning. So go and load that. Load only the $3, not the $2 one. And here is your $3 coupon. So make sure that you have this guy loaded. And a whole host of these Gillette King C's showed up on Sunday morning. And they're valid right up till the 5th of September. So yeah, you can make something happen. And then we're also going to be grabbing one of these beard and face washes with coconut water. How fancy is that? And there is a $4 coupon that's also attaching to this guy. And this is the one that you want loaded, and they're both manufacturer coupons. So you can, in fact, use both of them with this deal, get your balance to a lesser cost, and still earn the points. So the first one I'm going to show you is a little bit out of pocket, and the second one is with register rewards, so it'll be free, just to note that. Okay, guys, so we're grabbing one of those beard washes for $12.99. One Gillette King C razor priced at $9.99. The total right there is $22.98. Remember, we have $7 of digitals. We have a $3 and a $4, so that's coming off. You're left with paying $15.98 cash out of pocket. Now, this does not include your tax as well. You're getting back your 10,000 points, making it $5.98 for the two, or $2.99 for each. Now, let's not forget too, guys, that this is not part of Beauty Club. So I know a lot of you will be like, is this a beauty item? It was at one point, like in the Wayback Machine, but it is no longer at Walgreens. This is not a beauty item. Let's just say you did the Crest and Almay deal and you have two of these floating around. Let's also throw it into the deal. Now, we're still going to be grabbing the King C razor, the beard wash, and we're also going to grab two of those lollipops for 57 cents found at checkout. Okay, so here's the math, guys. Get the cashier to scan the beard wash for $12.99, the King C razor, plus the two lollipops. Please make sure that the cashier scans every single item and that they don't just scan one and key in the second, especially for those lollipops, because only one register reward will scan, not the two. Okay, so the total for your basket now is $24.12. Remember, we have $7 of digital manufacturers for the two King C products, plus two $4 register rewards, one for the Crest, one for the Almay. You're left with paying $9.12 cash out of pocket. This does not include your tax. You're getting back 10,000 points, so it makes your basket for free. Now, there might be one snag in this, and I can only describe this because I've had this snag happen to me before. It's where your $7 of digital manufacturers might not come off. Now, it's happened to me before, guys, where I've used register rewards and then the digital coupons don't come off. So what you have to do is call customer service and they will credit you the 7,000 points and they can look at your receipt and in fact see that these two coupons did not come off, and they will usually just throw the 7,000. So that's just one snag that might happen. And this happens to me a lot. I don't know why when I use register rewards on my store card. It might be a completely different story for you, but it's happened to me more than once. So that's why I would just, pay the cash out of pocket. But if you want to try and do it that way. Just a little bit of throw that in your back pocket in case something goofy happens to you where you're paying an extra $7 and you're like, no. Answer another question for a lot of you who are like, oh, I'm going to use that 5 off of 20 with this deal. You absolutely can't, because your balance isn't $25. It's like $22 and some change. And this is like a Walgreens coupon, so it'll subtract $5 from your balance. So it is better to just do this on its own, you know, just buy some toilet paper and some cheaper things and get a free deal, and then to do this razor deal secondly. So this is like an IVC, just to note that. If you, however, have one of these paper boosters, like this 5,000 when you spend 20 and you want the cashier to scan that, will this stack with the 10,000 when you spend 20? Yes, it will. So if you might have one of these, it will be like a $5 money maker for you. So how fortunate are you? So good luck with this deal, guys. It's fantastic. And if you have these digitals, like, make it happen. And like, to get this stuff on the cheap, this really expensive line of Gillette King C, like, absolutely make it happen. Okay guys, so today my mailbox pretty much fell over. I got all of these, and Sandra, thank you so much. I mean, just so generous. And I do want to say one quick thing, it's this. The mail, it has been exceptionally delayed, and it has to do with everything that's going on right now. And even if it comes in a priority mailer, that should be 3 days. I mean, a lot of my stuff was stuck in a post office, I think in Denver, for like 2 weeks. So just keep that in mind, that if you need these, like, you know, like titswit, it's just because what's going on right now with the post office. And I even have friends who work at the warehouse that does all of the sorting, and it's really hard, guys. I'm not going to get into the specifics of that, but if you need the stuff the next day, maybe the best bet is to get it from the Sunday paper. But if you need her inserts, her email and all of her information will be in the notes. And if you are really an old schooler and you just have no idea, send her a quick message and I'm sure she'll get back to you. Now, just to make this a little fun today, I'm going to send one of you some of these inserts because I can't use all of them, and she did send like a ton. So in the comments, okay, so for this one it's a little different. You got to go follow Sandra's Instagram and her YouTube, okay? And in the comments, just write, say you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, 1 entry per person, and there's a lot of really nice coupons in here. So good luck, guys. 1 entry per person again, and I will pick the winner on Wednesday morning, so this will be a quick one. But remember to go follow Sandra's Instagram and her YouTube, and I will give some of these away because this is just way too much for one person to use. Okay, so we're gonna look at the 2 different ones that she has up for grabs. I believe she has an 816, 823 bundle, or you could just buy the 823 inserts. And these came very quickly. A lot of these ended up in a warehouse, which is not in her control, it just happens. Okay, so we're gonna look at the 2 816s, which are Smart Sources. The first one, there's my professional foot modeling photo. Okay, maybe not. Anytime you guys want to pause, take a pause so you can read the coupons, because I tend to talk a lot, but you guys already know that. I wonder if these would be for free at Dollar Tree with that. Vitamins. And here's the second one. More Finish. Ooh, Revlon. Now we're going to look at this week's Retail Me Not. So we got some nice Ben & Jerry's. The 4 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Elvis. Ooh, hold your horses. We've got some all coupons. This guy 88 cents at Walgreens this week with this coupon, so I gotta find my way back to the store. And the final insert, which is also $8.23, is also a Smart Source. We have all these delicious $2 off any 24-ounce Ken's dressing. So at Walmart, because this is $2 off of one, that's going to be a really great one to use. CoverGirl, hair dye, pain meds, okay guys, let's go take a quick look at Sandra's price board. Okay guys, so this is her link tree, and all of the pricing and all of the bundles will be listed, and I just hopped on there and I saw that the $8.16, $8.23, so the stuff I just showed you, she has a bigger bundle for that. Now if you were just interested in the $8.23, she sells them in increments of 5, 10, 20, and so on and so forth. And again, if you're not sure, send her a quick message. Her email is listed as well. And then just to get into the specifics for the $8.23 with the all and snuggle, she has like 5 of each would be 14 with priority included, and then jumping up to 10 is 16, and so on and so forth. Her email, Instagram, and her link tree is all listed there. So if you need to get in touch with her, she's usually pretty fast to get back to people. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.